Good morning, Woodland Acres Elementary School. Today is Wednesday, September 23rd, 2020. Will you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now, the pledge to the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Wildcats, will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? You may be seated as we do our safety statement. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has a right to feel safe, loved, and respected. This means at home, on the bus, and during your school day. If there is anyone at home, on the bus, or at school that makes you feel unloved, unsafe, or even disrespected, please find that trusted adult in your life and let them know how you feel. Now, you know that adult can be any trusted adult, your coach, your nurse, your teacher, your counselor. How about your principal, your parents? Let them know how you feel and talk about it. Wildcats, we are so excited to have 2 birthdays in the house. Happy big September birthday wishes to Andrew G. in 5th grade and Jasmine M. in 3rd grade. We wish you a wonderful, wonderful birthday. Wildcats, let's talk a little bit about citizenship today. The character education theme for the month of September is citizenship and school pride. Humility is an important part of being a citizenship. Humility or being humble means not thinking of only your own feelings and needs as being the most important, but thinking of others' feelings and needs as well. Wildcats, thank you for sharing these last minutes with me. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not, the choice is always yours. We hope that today you choose to make it a wonderful and whimsical Wednesday.